I found this quiet spot in the park with a gentle breeze.
That must be so pleasing. I can already feel the calm.
We hiked up to a cliff that overlooked the entire valley at sunset.
That sounds absolutely breathtaking, like a scene from a movie.
I tried a new dinner recipe last night, and it was a hit.
That's superb. You're becoming quite the chef.
I spent the day at the beach, just listening to the waves.
That sounds incredibly relaxing, a perfect escape.
I finally finished my novel.
That's terrific news. I can't wait to read it.
I've started jogging every morning and I feel great.
That's really encouraging. Keep up the good work.
The new startup I'm working for is gaining a lot of traction.
That sounds promising. The future looks bright.
I spent the weekend gardening and it was so fulfilling.
Gardening can be so pleasurable, watching things grow.
The new art exhibit features some truly unique pieces.
That sounds marvelous. I love discovering new art.
I tried a new mint lemonade recipe, and it's so refreshing.
Mint lemonade sounds perfect for a hot day, refreshing indeed.
We visited an ancient temple with stunning architecture.
That must have been magnificent, like stepping back in time.
She delivered an outstanding performance in the play.
Outstanding. She always brings such depth to her roles.
He overcame so many challenges to achieve his dreams.
That's truly inspiring. His perseverance is remarkable.
I couldn't put the book down, it was so gripping.
A gripping story is the best kind, keeps you hooked till the end.
I volunteered at a local charity event and felt so fulfilled.
Fulfilling experiences like that is truly rewarding.
The new cafe has a fabulous selection of pastries.
Fabulous pastries are my weakness. I must try them.
The new restaurant menu looks really appealing.
An appealing menu is always a good sign. Time to try something new.
The garden is full of blooming flowers right now.
That must be lovely. I can imagine the fragrance.
The documentary was so enthralling, I learned so much.
Enthralling documentaries are the best. They educate and captivate.
The team made tremendous progress on the project.
Tremendous effort always leads to great results.
The city looked sparkling during the Festival of Lights.
Sparkling lights make everything feel magical, don't they?
Teaching the workshop was incredibly rewarding.
It's rewarding to share your knowledge and see others benefit.
Her performance was absolutely peerless, unmatched by anyone else.
She truly has a peerless talent. No one does it like her.
The model wore a stunning dress at the fashion show.
Stunning attire can make such a statement on the runway.
The new thriller movie was sensational.
Sensational movies keep you at the edge of your seat.
The fireworks show was absolutely spectacular.
Spectacular displays like that are unforgettable.
The band's new album is smashing.
Smashing hits always make for a great listen.
We went zip-lining through the forest. It was thrilling.
Thrilling adventures like that give such an adrenaline rush.
The magician pulled off an astonishing trick.
astonishing magic always leaves me wondering how they did it.
The little town we visited was so charming and quaint.
Charming places like that have a special magic.
The novel's plot twists kept me hooked until the end.
An absorbing story is a treasure you can't stop reading.
The roller coaster ride was so thrilling and fast.
Exhilarating experiences like that are unforgettable.
The magician's tricks left everyone speechless.
Astounding tricks always leave you in awe.
I just got my car detailed. It looks brand new.
It must be in tip-top shape now.
The ballroom was decorated with sparkling chandeliers.
Dazzling lights make everything look magical.
He delivered an exceptional presentation at the conference.
Exceptional work like that deserves recognition.
Our idea to improve the project was absolutely brilliant.
Brilliant ideas can really make a difference.
The beach holiday was filled with fun activities.
It sounds like a fab time.
I can't believe I won the lottery.
That's unbelievable. What a stroke of luck.
I just finished building my own computer.
That's awesome. You must feel so accomplished.